Nebraska hospital systems are saying they're at capacity yet again due to an alarming amount of COVID cases. But this time, doctors say the patients look a little different. Channel 8's Alexa Skineski joins us live in studio with our latest coronavirus news. Alexa?
Yeah, that's right, Megan. Hospitals have been full on and off since the pandemic began, but right now they're at capacity with the younger generation of patients, something doctors are very concerned about.
Over the last couple months, I've been seeing more and more 30-year-olds, 40-year-olds, that are coming to the ICU severely ill with COVID-19. And these are patients that have minimal medical problems or no, even some that have no medical problems.
Nebraska hospitals are saying the sickest patients on ventilators right now with COVID-19 are no longer older individuals, but young adults ranging from 18 to 40 years old, the majority of them unvaccinated. They say it's an alarming trend frontline workers have not seen since the onset of the pandemic.
None of these younger patients think that they are going to get sick from COVID, and you do see the regret when, they come in and they're getting sick and you're talking to them about going on the ventilator. They never thought they'd get to that point.
And for people around town, some say they are not surprised the younger folks are at higher risk right now based on the lack of precautions they have seen.
If any demographic would, I'd probably assume it's them. Just being out in the public now, seeing events are starting to come back on, I think they're becoming more relaxed, and the older generation, I think, has been through the first and they're more at risk in their eyes, so I think the younger generation is a little more careless with it.
Others are quite shocked about the age demographic, saying young adults are supposed to be able to fight viruses more easily.
It's kind of unexpected. It's not what we're unfortunately used to with the pandemic going on now for as long as it has, so the shift in it really is just kind of out of the blue and not what we were wanting to hear, certainly.
The common denominator in these young people in COVID hospitalizations, they're not vaccinated. Doctors say data shows the vaccine works for all ages.
Young, unvaccinated 30-year-olds are being hospitalized at similar rates as vaccinated individuals over 80. And that's Nebraska-specific data. That's proof that younger people have a lot to benefit from vaccination.
And by the way, Megan, this week marks the highest level of COVID patients in the hospital since the beginning of the year. A mile marker many doctors in Nebraska were hoping we would never get to.
Alexa, thank you very much for our top story tonight.